I take this opportunity to welcome respected Professor K.N. Seth Sir, Dean, Faculty of Technology, DDU, Dr. Purvang Dalal Sir, Head of Electronics and Communication Department, DDU, and Dr. Harish Sahu Sir, and expert and ATAL team member from DRDO. The workshop will be coordinated by Dr. Mitesh Limachia Sir, Professor Marmik Soni Sir, and Professor Hardik Patel Sir, faculties at Electronics and Communication Department, DDU. I would like to request Dr. Mitesh Limachia Sir to give a concise note and brief us about the FTP.
To one and all, dear participants, on behalf of EC Department, Dharmsinh Desai University, Nadiad, I, along with my fellow coordinators, Professor Marmik and Professor Hardik, welcome you all in this AICTE-sponsored online faculty development program on recent advances in VLSI design and system. I give you brief idea about this FDP. Primarily, the FDP covers important aspects of VLSI chip designing like modeling, simulation and verification of digital circuits, use of various algorithms for design for testability known as a DFT. In this FDP, the participants will be aware with the state-of-art technology in semiconductor devices. In this FDP, total 88 participants are registered, out of which 26% of participants are from host institute, 14% are from other institute of Gujarat state, and 60% are from outstate institutes.
Today's speakers, the organizing team and the invited faculty members. On behalf of the Vice Chancellor, Dr. H.M. Desai sir, and our Director, Sri Ankur Desai sir, I welcome you all for the inaugural session of this one-week FDP program on recent advances in VLSI design and system. This program is sponsored by ATAL. So this is the third program in the sequence. This year we are organizing in the DDU. So it has been a great takeover by the AICT from IST. AICT has taken over for organizing this type of faculty development program. It was very difficult for the faculty to get registered and to get the learning from the STTP programs through IST. Whereas with the ATAL, especially in the time of this pandemic, they have offered so many online programs and so many opportunities for the faculty and the practitioners to learn the advances in different areas. So this is a great initiative by ATAL, and we definitely we are thankful to this ATAL for this venture. And I wish the department for success of this school. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I kindly request Dr. Purvang Dalal Sir, Head of EC Department, DDU, to share a few words with us.
Thank you. Respected Dean Faculty of Technology, Professor K.N. Seth Sir, Dr. Sahu Sir, program coordinators, my colleagues, and dear participants. A very good morning and warm welcome to this 5 days online ATAL FDP on recent advances in VLSI design and system. As we know, chip design in India has grown by leaps and bounds, thanks to several multinational design service companies and product companies. It translates to huge opportunities for quality VLSI trained talent. I repeat, huge opportunity for quality VLSI trained talents. So we require lots of support by multinational industries and academias as well. This FDP is intended for enthusiastic faculty members working in engineering colleges to make them familiar with latest trends in this VLSI design technology. This will also enrich them with depth and breadth of the knowledge in this area. This will definitely help in bridging the gap between academia and industries. This is very important because we are in a teaching field we are teaching students, ultimately they will be absorbed by industries. So if minimum is the gap, more will be the benefit to overall economy and technology development, right? So looking at the program topics as shared by Dr. Mitesh and list of experts, I am sure that the participants will be highly benefited by this FDP. I urge all of you to take maximum benefit of this program. As a head of this department, organizing department of this FDP, I wish you all a comfortable and learning experience of this FDP program. Thank you all.
Help me if somebody shares the question on the, any of the window.
Sure, sir.
ESL, electronic system design, is a very, very prominent field emerged in last 20 years. I'm going to glance through few products which we have developed in last 10 plus years. We have recently developed Clo-1 virtual reality device. This device ensures that you can feel the touch of objects. So if there is a butterfly sitting on your hand, you can feel that butterfly has sat on the hand. This infrared keyboard is very well known to most of you, has been in the industry for the last 5 years. It's a new data center has been very, very booming field because of the advent of mobile phones, tablets, all kind of ubiquitous computing and networking. So recently we launched world's fastest programmable router and switch. And we are also working on a very new technology called straightaway optic.
Anyone can understand the second image or the second animation is preferable. I would not say it is good one, but it is preferable because first there is no doorkeeper required for the second image. So obviously the energy or the amount to be paid for the doorkeeper is now is gone now. We don't require any doorkeeper for the second image, right? And the same way for verification flow, we can have higher efficiency or we can have a good quality result if we are using some kind of automation.
Screen is visible, sir? No? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, simple program, AND gate, with the help of data flow modeling. We have compiled the design. We have checked the timing analysis report over here. It is available over here. So, in this timing analysis, we can go to TPD. So, it shows us the delay, what time is being taken by the signal while it is moving from A to out and B to out.
So as and when I'm talking about bug, right? What is bug, by the way? So as far as if I want to explain this bug in a layman language, the bugs are simple type of errors, or it may be the complex logic scenario, right? In order to demonstrate it, you can see over here on the left hand side, I have put the bug free DUT, while on right hand side, I have put the DUT in which one bug is present or one bug is available. Before moving to further details, in order to make the session interactive, can anybody tell me which type of modeling technique I have used in order to model the full adder? Look at these sets of code. We have already discussed the types of modeling technique. Which type of modeling technique, by the way, is used over here? Can anybody comment on it? Especially the research scholars. Look at the keyword assign. Can I say I have used over here the data flow modeling technique? As I already told to you, if you are aware with the Boolean expression of the given circuitry, you may use the data flow modeling technique. So over here you can see the assign as a keyword is used, This is the Boolean expression. This is, by the way, the DUT for the half adder. Fine. A is XOR with the B, and what this assign keyword is doing, whatever is the outcome of this Boolean expression, that will be assigned to the output port sum.
A very good afternoon to one and all. I, Professor Marmik Soni, welcome you all on behalf of the Department of Electronics and Communication, Dharmsinh Desai University, to the valedictory function of the AICTE ATAL FDP Recent Advances in VLSI Design and Systems, gathering today under the dome of this online FDP. Today with us we have Dr. M.S. Rao sir, Dean Faculty Welfare, Dharmsinh Desai University, Dr. Purvang Dalal sir, Head Department of Electronics and Communication, Dharmsinh Desai University, and Dr. Harish Sahu sir, Scientist DRDO. He is there on behalf of AICTE ATAL platform. If I share a little about this FDP, we have 89 registration from faculties and research scholars spread across the nation. They are from the various states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Delhi, and almost all the other states of the nation. In total, we had 14 sessions, each of 2 hours. They were delivered by the senior professors from IISc, IITs, and by the leading semiconductor giants like Intel, Cadence, and e-Infochip experts. One session was also delivered by the AICTE certified speaker on ethics in education. We have with us Monica Gupta ma'am from Delhi. Ma'am, she has raised the hand. Ma'am, can you please share your feedback?
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Monica Gupta. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the organizers from Dharmsinh Desai University, especially Dr. Limache and Professor Marmik, for organizing such a fabulous FDP. All the sessions were very good, but one session which was conducted by Dr. Joyce Mackey from IIT Gandhinagar on radiation hardening techniques and design was beyond my expectations. The one thing which I liked most about this FDP was that enough opportunities were given to the attendees for asking questions. Everything was well planned and well executed. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. We have
one thing that I would like to say about this workshop is that when we would like to learn something, the curiosity is very important. And in all the sessions, curiosity is kept in such a way that I always found that because presently my lecture is going on. So what I do, if suppose I finish one topic, then I eager that what is in the next. So curiosity is always maintained over there. So sometimes I have to adjust my lectures to my colleague and say that please you go there and I have to attend this session. So overall, all the sessions are really wonderful. And
everybody, it was a very wonderful FDP. That is what we have attended, and all the sessions were very useful. All the topics, that is what you have kept. They are really nice, and they are related with the current technology as well. And especially, I would like to say that the session by Dr. Nihar, Dr. Rajesh Thakkar sir, then Joyce ma'am, and Dr. Mayank Srivastava. Particular sessions were very useful, and they have a touch upon the area that is what we really want to learn a lot. And the same thing we can forward to our students as well. And obviously, when the organizations like you, DDU, when you organize this kind of workshop, we always feel great to be a part of this kind of workshop. So
now I want to introduce our guest for the ceremony, Dr. M.S. Rao sir, Dean Faculty of Welfare, Dharmsinh Desai University. Sir has done his PhD from IIT Bombay and has experience of more than 25 years. Sir enthusiastically motivates faculties towards research and betterment. Sir is professor and head of Chemical Engineering Department and also the key member of Shah Salman Center for Surface Science and Nanotechnology and Anchor Institute, Chemicals and Petrochemicals Division. Sir, I humbly request you to share your thoughts today with us.
Thank you, Marmik. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, Dr. Purvang Dalal, convener of the program, Dr. Mitesh Limachia, who is the coordinator of the program, Dr. Sahu, who is present over here, and dear participants. It's really happy to see participants from all over the country. Total of 88 participants. Out of these 88, almost 60% of the participants are from outside Gujarat. Only 40% of them are from Gujarat state. In general, when you look at the research and other activities, teaching activities which are taking place in educational institutes, at the end of it, we try to see what is the gap between the industry and institute activities. In reality, there is a lot of gap between cup and lip, and the programs like this, wherein you are roping in experts from the educational institutes as well as industry organizations. I can see people from Intel, Infoscapes, etc., and institutes like IITs and ISC are sharing their research and then their knowledge with all the participants. Most of you are teachers at one or the other locations. So these kind of programs which are incorporating the fundamentals like introduction to VLSI to incorporation of nanotechnology in VLSI, the last program, total of 28 hours of theory and 3 hours of laboratory are already organized. I'm sure from the feedback I can gather that this program is a grand success.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening words.
We are thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. H.M. Desai, sir, for his motivation. I would like to thank our Professor K.N. Sheth, sir, Dean Faculty of Technology, for his enthusiastic support. I would also like to thank Dr. M.S. Rao, sir, Dean Faculty Welfare, for his continuous inspiration and support. I extend my gratitude to the respected head of the department, Dr. Purvang Dalal, sir, for encouraging us to achieve many endeavors and for relentless support throughout the FDP. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to the sponsoring organization AICT ATAL and Dr. Harish Sahu.
Thank you once again from the coordinators, organizing department, and Dharmsinh Desai University. Thank you, everyone.